Ang daming tape, nakakaloka.
Ganito.
Sige, help mo daddy. Do not destroy the box. Ay! Do not destroy the box.
Where's the scissor?
Oh, dad, here. Oh my gosh. Hi everybody! I'm Mommy Nicole Hyala.
And I'm Princess Nicolehyala, guys. It's Yana 21, Philippines.
And we can see Daddy on the side. Daddy, kita ka. Ayan. So why are we here today? We're here because...
We are unboxing this a new doll for me and Mommy Daddy. You know why they bought this?
Bakit?
Comment! So,
Huwag mo na silang ipa-comment sa comment section, Princess. Kasi wala naman nagko-comment sa atin. Charot! Ninin! Alam niyo po guys, dun sa, meron kami YouTube channel bukod dito sa Love Radio Manila, meron kami YouTube channel, yung Papamfam ni Nicole Hyala. Tapos sa ilang mga videos, do not play with the scissors, Princess. Sa ilang mga videos, sinasabi lagi ni Princess, mag-comment kayo dun sa comment section. Tapos wala akong nagko-comment.
okay, so guys,
Don't let them comment in the comment section. It's okay. Yan.
it's
Okay.
okay not to be okay.
Ay? Okay, drama. Okay, go.
Okay, so we have this doll because I have
Hi. Hi.
green.
Oh,
Akala
okay.
ko high food eh.
Akala ko din high food Ang dami
So-
kinain. Okay, yay!
So, the name of this doll is Pineapple Punch, and this is her little buddy. The name is Tina.
Yan. Pakita natin ulit, Daddy. So, sino si Pina?
It's the what you call this pineapple?
Properly. Okay, game.
Okay,
Let's
first,
open it.
Mommy, I need to
And
explain.
there are 3.
Yes.
Collect us all. Ito po yung mahirap kapag ka nag-umpisa ka na mag-collect ng isang type of collection, you'd want to collect all. So this is 1 out of 3. The 2 others are... the 3 others, 4 pala itey. Nako, maharlika. Magkano to, Daddy?
999.
999. Okay, sige. So there's Sunday Fun Day, Watermelon Slice, and Bubblegum Kitty. Kitty. Okay. Okay, go. Let's open.
So, first, wait, Mommy, I need to explain.
Okay, go. Explain.
So, in front, this is the dog, and then this is the little baby pineapple. And it says here, squish me, stick me, or stitch me. I don't know if this is a
Stitch me.
And you can, you can stitch it.
Sabi you can squish my hair. Sabi niya, nakikinig ako sa'yo ha, Princess ha. You said squish me, stitch me. So, tatahiin. Hindi siya stitch. It's stick.
Oh, I thought it was an H.
No, it's a K. That's why, yung sabi mong hello hit, bubblegum kitty. It's not hitty, it's kitty. Bubblegum kitty. Okay, open. Lumama ko babe kasi masisira yung nails ni Mother. Ang daming tape, nakakaloka.
Ganito.
Sige, help mo Daddy. Do not destroy the box. Ay! Do not destroy the box!
Where's the scissor?
Oh, Dad, here! Oh my gosh!
Destroy the box. But don't destroy the list.
Kwento mo natin.
Okay, sige. Magkwentuhan muna tayo. So, how did you get good grades? Because
I love it.
yes. So, skip counting tayo, ha? Okay. 4 times 4.
Wait, I still need to skip count.
Okay, go.
60.
Yes! Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
No,
3 times 5 muna. Or 5 times 3. Para easier. 5 times 3.
25.
Huh?
15.
Yes! Galing ni Daddy. Ay, ni Princess. Okay.
So, it's Mommy said don't break the box. So pag nagsawa na kayo, ilalagay mo na.
Yes.
Oh, so... Wait. This is
Don't get the squishy
It's
first.
real.
Squishy, squishy.
It's a real squish.
It is.
It is?
It is. I want to get the squishy.
Cute! It's so
Daddy, it's so cute.
Ang cute! Siya si ano, Pina. That's
It's
Pina
really-
the Squishy.
Ah, kaya pala Stitch.
Stick, hindi nga Stitch, Dad.
Stick.
Stick.
Stick it, stick it.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Kita, hindi nakita. Here.
No, here.
Here, babe.
You saw that?
No, nag-stick sa wall. Boom.
Ah,
Sige. Again.
Guys!
One more, baby.
Again, one more. Stick it. Again. Stick. Ha! Huwag mo dayain, babe. Ayan, nag-stick. Kasi
I think
nakalagay.
that's why it's like this, so it can stick properly.
Ako, mahirap yan, Princess, kapag ka, Dodi po. Mahirap yan, Princess, kapag ka stinik mo dun sa ano. Okay, 1,
Wait.
2, 1, 2, 3.
It's falling! It's falling!
It's falling! Hey! Okay. Buti na lang, guys, hindi po kami high ceiling. Nakakatulong din pala yung hindi masyadong mayaman. Ayan.
You know, guys, did you know when I was still small, I had this like splitting it up and then it became like a monster because it stick there. It dried there for years.
Ang ganda pala nito, nakaka-nervous yung, ay, ang ganda niya, oh. It's like a bubble head. At saka yung head niya, pwede mo pang ano, para din siyang slime. Yan, oh.
Pwede siya maging
Nice. Hello there. Oh, di ba?
I have my little, what you call this?
Sticky slime.
Bug.
Yun, oh.
What's the name again?
Pineapple punch.
I'm walking. Ah! You can push the cat.
1, 2, 3.
No!
Ah. So there
I
you
want
have
to
it. Alam niyo po, ito yung sasabihin kong nanay
Wait, Mami.
tip.
Show it first. Pwede siya bihisan.
Pwedeng bihisan. So ibig sabihin, pwedeng tanggalin yung damit. And put other clothes. So siguro kapag meron ka ng collection na ganito, pwede silang mag-interchange ng clothes, no? So anyways, ito po yung sasabihin ko. So tip and unboxing,
Wait,
as much as possible, do not destroy the box.
Come here.
So that we can return it kapag ka nagsawa na, di ba? Kasi ang bata naman minsan nagsasawa. Yun. Tapos, ano pa ba yung sasabihin ko? Ala, nakalimutan ko. In-store mo kasi ko dahil. Nakalimutan.
Mommy. Mommy.
Nakalimutan ko yung sasabihin ko tuloy. Oh.
Certificate.
Oh, meron pang
Oh.
Certificate of Authenticity. Okay? This certificate hereby verifies the authenticity of the accompanying pineapple punch doll. Okay? Taray nung ganun. Oh, di ba? Nakalimutan ko na isa sasabihin ko na napakahalaga sana, pero ayan.
You forgot?
I forgot what I was
Mom!
gonna say.
Regarding sa box.
No, not the box. I was gonna say something very important. A nanay tip that I forgot. Oh my gosh.
Ang nanay tip that don't sawa your toys?
Hindi, take
But
care
you
of
need-
your toys. You need to
Yeah.
take care of your toys.
Kwento mo, Mami, nakita ko sa SM.
Alin?
Sa mo, yung gustong-gustong ibili.
Oh, kasi hindi lahat, babe, nakaka-afford makabili ng toys. So, dapat, you know how to appreciate yung toys that you have. Yan. Okay? Always remember that you have to be grateful, you have to be thankful for all the blessings because not everyone is given such blessings. So, magpapasalamat ka. And of course, don't forget to share. Okay?
That's for the people who are watching.
Yeah. And for you also, babe. Yun yung lesson mo din yan, di ba? Correct?
Yes.
Yes. Isang malaking check ng pink na ball pen. Ayan.
Wait.
So, maglalaro na po kami nitong
Put
itong
that in the... Let's try to stick it.
Uy, grabe stinik sa mukha.
No, here. So, how can you hold it? Hold it. Hold it. Like that.
Ayan. O sige, kami po ay maglalaro na. Thank you very much for watching. Salamat po mga kabisyo at sana po mag-subscribe din po kayo sa aming YouTube channel. Bukod dito sa Love Radio Manila na YouTube. Na congratulations, naka 1 million na subscribers na. I hope you could also follow us sa aming family's YouTube channel, which is Papamfam ni Nicole Hyala.
We're getting 2,000, so almost be there.
Yay! Ano? We're getting what?
25,900.
25,900.
So,
Yeah.
we have
Dagdagan natin!
And don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel, to like our videos.
Bye!
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 Always your number one. SM radio station.